Petal Card is designed for people who may have limited credit history because its approval process can consider more than just a traditional credit score. If you have no credit history and want to get approved for Petal Card, you'll learn what information matters, what to prepare before applying, and what steps can improve your application. The first step is completing your application with accurate information. Petal reviews the details you provide, so make sure your personal information, income details, and contact information are correct before submitting. Having no credit history does not mean you have no financial profile. Card issuers may review other information to understand your eligibility and ability to manage an account. Before applying, check your financial information and make sure everything you provide is current. Incorrect income details or outdated personal information can create delays during the review process. If you have existing credit history, review your credit reports before applying. Look for incorrect accounts, inaccurate payment records, or information that does not belong to you. If you find errors, follow the dispute process with the credit bureau, reporting the incorrect information. Accurate credit reports help ensure your financial profile is represented correctly. Your banking history and financial habits can also matter when applying for credit products that consider more than a traditional credit score. Keep your account information accurate and understand your current income and expenses. Avoid submitting multiple applications for different credit cards at the same time. Applying too often can make it harder to track what factors are affecting approval decisions. If your Petal Card application is denied, review the reason provided. The explanation can help you understand whether the issue was related to eligibility, application details, or information in your credit profile. After approval, focus on building a positive payment history. Pay on time, monitor your account activity, and keep your information updated. The main steps are completing the application accurately, checking your financial information, reviewing your credit profile if available, and managing the account responsibly after approval. Your next step is to gather your personal and financial information, check for errors before applying, and submit your Petal Card application carefully. If this helped you understand how to get approved for Petal Card with no credit history, like the video and subscribe for more credit card and credit building guides.